everyone. This section introduces the knowledge of CT200 and CTMC series products. Section 9, Introduction to the use of CAN expansion boards. Extending the CAN Master Communication Expansion Board. By expanding the CAN Master, the PLC can be made to support the CAN communication function. Allows communication with other CAN slave devices. CAN expansion boards support CAN hardware configuration, block configuration, and EDS file import. Transmission rates up to 1 megabit per second. Communication distance up to 2,500 meters. Supports up to 32 slaves. The table lists the maximum number of accessed IOs supported by the extended CAN expansion boards. Built-in CAN-free communication function. CAN-free communication can be implemented via internal command library. The wiring diagram and terminal schematic of the CAN expansion boards are shown in the following figures. The table lists the definition of each terminal position. When mounting and connecting the expansion board, please follow the definition of terminal positioning strictly for connection. The following demonstrates the configuration of the CAN expansion board in the programming software. Double-click on Hardware Configuration. To open the Hardware Configuration interface, double-click on CT200 in the rack. Select CAN Open Master. Master tick CAN Open. Enable CAN Open Master function. Here you can set the node ID of the master. It is sufficient to set the node ID of the master to be different from the node IDs of the other stations in the network. Here you can set the baud rate for CAN Open communication. Click on OK to add the campus bus. Then add the CAN Open slave under the hardware directory on the right-hand side. If there is no corresponding slave, you can import the EDS file via the toolbar. Add the slave to the right hardware directory. This is an example of a slave connected to the SM277C. Drag and drop the 277C directly onto the CAN bus. Double-click on the 277C. You can set its node ID and name. In the table below, you can configure the iOS modules connected to the 277C module, such as digital and analog modules. Select the module to be connected. Drag and drop directly onto the table below. You can change the address here. This completes the CAN Open configuration. About the introduction of CAN expansion board. That's all. Thank you.